Controller drift can be frustrating while playing Elden Ring, but there are ways to mitigate the issue. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for firmware updates. Ensure your controller's firmware is up to date. Manufacturers often release updates that can improve performance and fix issues like drift. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause stick drift. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dirt around the analog sticks. You can also use a microfiber cloth to gently clean the surface. Step 3. Adjust dead zone settings. In the game settings, look for the option to adjust the dead zone for the analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help reduce the sensitivity and minimize drift. Step 4. Test on different devices. Try using your controller on another device or game to see if the drift persists. This can help determine if the issue is with the controller itself or specific to Elden Ring. Step 5. Consider a replacement. If the drift continues after trying the above steps, it may be time to consider replacing the controller or seeking professional repair services to fix the issue. By following these steps, you can improve your gaming experience and reduce controller drift while playing Elden Ring. Happy gaming!